Alright guys, look who's back. Me, 7 months away for RC videos, just purely with bad weather, dark nights, busy at work. Now the job I'm in these days I have to do like full-time hours in an office, so I'm not out and about as much to do the videos, but the itch is back, the buzz is back to do more RC stuff. So today I've got my Corally Jambo V2 out, one that Corally sent me, so I had to rebuild that, do a few bits and bobs to it, change the front end. This is pretty standard, still running on the Curon motor and basically all the Corally electronics. So I'm going to get a video with this just now. I'm currently rebuilding my Creating 8S. It's literally about 80% complete. I've just got to get a couple of front drive shafts, a couple of more small little bits to put together, then hook up my controller back to it and we'll get that out. So we'll be getting the boats out, the cars out, and possibly planes and drones and things again, getting right back in the swing of it. So it's not a lovely day today, it's pretty cold but it's nice and sunny night. So on my way home I thought we'll give the little Corally Jambo a rip. So I'll get this headset on, the old GoPro on, and let's see what this car can do. So stock servo, stock everything, since Corally gave me, other than fix what I've broke, which hasn't really been a lot, the car's standard. So first of all, do some wheelies. It's been a while. Look at that, still wheeling, still wheeling, still wheeling, still wheeling till I stop it. I was just going to wheelie all day. The Jambos are still a great car. With some of my other cars I've got, like I've got a couple of broken cars and electronics, like some old Armas and things. I'm thinking about getting a Suga or something like that, one of the Corally rollers, and getting a different couple of cars built up. But for just now, I mean, look at this thing. Well, we'll try that again. It's literally been months since I've been doing this. She just wheelies all day. I mean, it's not even a road car, this is a pure basher for jumps and things, but even dripping about in the tarmac, it's pretty fun. The only thing I think I might need to do, let's see if I can adjust it more, better or worse. The steering, maybe I had that not quite fully, that's better. Steering a bit better now. But yeah, the video's not really for anything particular, let you guys know my channel's not forgot about. Just purely I've been too busy and now I'm just feeling the itch, so yeah. So we're driving this, the first time I've ever really had this on tarmac. It's only on 4S today as well guys, so obviously it can do 6S, so if it looks fast just now, this is a 4S setup, which generally off-road, I think 4S is all you need. You look at power. You don't need any more power in that off-road. I mean, it gets almost unusable power. You try to go around corners, spin out, etc. What I'm looking at just now though is just watching the way the tyres are expanding. Might go a bit heavier in the front diff with fluid and I might change the tyres. I've got another 2 sets in the house, so I might change the front tyres because they've been on for a while to be fair. But yeah, it's a good excuse to get the car out. I've had off camera, I've had my Maverick Quantum R Rally car out a bit too, that's been fun. So yeah, cars, boats, drones, and maybe planes again, but I want to get more videos out purely just because I enjoy doing it, do the movie style setup. But for today it's really just a testing and just on the way home for work, give it a little rip on a battery. So my Creating 8S, like I say, it's about 80% built. I've still got the stock servo in it, and what I'm looking to do is, I think that was the only thing that really let the Creating down at sometimes, was the stock servo. So what sort of servo 5th scale would you guys recommend for that? If you've got any opinions, please put them in the comments, let me know what you're doing. And yeah, you can see the tyres are really ballooning. wish I had more preparation to come in today, because even on 4S, I don't know what speed that's doing. I must be close to 50 anyway. But ever since Corally updated these cars with the sort of centre brace tower and what they've done with the newer versions, they're so much stronger. Because I've always loved my Corallys, but I'm not going to lie, as much as I defend them and think they're the best value for money RCs there is. Oh, that doesn't sound good. What have I done? Is there a stone in there or something? That's strange. Something happened to my diff there. Something's going. Oh, that's strange how that's happened. My actual drive shaft just popped out, see at the side there. I don't know if you can see. I'll need to get that back on, but that's probably because I've had the car rebuilt again. I don't think it's anything really to be concerned about. But yeah, like I was saying with the Corallys, so they're really strong cars now, but before they had the centre bracing in them, they were quite prone to, when you had a big hit, the bottom end screws falling out, etc. And it literally looks like, as I say that, one's popped out there. So I don't know if that's popped out or if maybe when I rebuilt it I forgot to put it back in. But yeah, quick video showing you the car. I'm going to actually stick that back in the car, have a little play. But the main thing for you guys is the videos are going to start happening again. There'll be more cars. Any problems, as you know, as I'm always honest, I'll show you guys what happens, things like that. But overall, yeah, back in action guys. So quick video, quick update, and I'll see you soon with another video. I'm just going to stick this little shaft in, get a little play about, and yeah, see you guys in the next one.